put my shades on. Woo! It's not very early. It's like 10:30 in the morning. Brady is having the final part of the meetup this morning. 10:30 was supposed to be brunch, finger foods. I was really not prepared for that. And then we're supposed to do pictures. Scotty and I were not out late at that dance party last night. I was just talking to Dave's RV Life. I think we came in like at 9 o'clock. We had a few cocktails and then danced and we were ready to come in. But anyways, I just threw some no-bake cookies on a plate and some oranges, and I'm heading over to the brunch area to drop it off. So we'll go over there. And no, I did not make the no-bake cookies. I picked them up at the store last night.
Huh?
You live.
Are you French stuff?
I cheated. I went and picked up no-bake cookies, and I had some little nectarines.
Oh, cool.
So that's what I'm doing.
Start?
And half an hour ago. It was at 10:30, and I think it's now 11.
Okay, so
Yeah.
I'm totally missing it.
Okay, come on, get out here. All right, let's go take it over. Who survived the party? Let's see. Oh, there's other people out here. I don't see some people. They must not have survived the party. Yay, Quirky. Happy day after your birthday. Oh, just no baked cookies and some oranges. Oh, Holly. Holly. Dory, how'd you survive? Did you survive the... Yeah? You went in early like we did.
8 o'clock.
Yeah.
Something like
I think we went in right after you did.
that.
Holly's all dressed up. Cute. All right. Looks like mimosas have come out. I think I will stay away from that. I don't do well with that kind of stuff. Upsets my stomach, the orange juice and mixing like that. Good morning, Elle. Cinnamon apples. Yum.
And lemon.
Oh, and lemon, yep. Yum. I'm going to have some of that. Uh-oh. Now the food's coming out. All the junk food. Aja said this morning we all had a little gift going on for
Well,
the
actually,
viewer.
it was last night
Oh,
that
last
she
night.
gave it to us, but
Oh.
I just put it in there because I didn't want it to get broken.
Ooh.
But, oh wait, hold on.
Fun
She said that the
things.
beer was for Scott. And she
It's
said,
nice and cold.
she said the champagne was for all of us.
Oh my gosh, yum.
Okay, and then she said
Look how festive
she said there was
that
some
is.
other stuff in here that I think she knitted herself.
Oh, awesome.
So these are like pot warm.
I love those. I haven't had those in a long
So
time.
just pick the colors that you want. then
Okay,
I'll-
well we'll do that when
Is
we...
that a pot holder too?
yeah,
A
they're all
scrubber?
pot. Or these are. I think these are.
These are
scrubber.
scrubbies.
Oh.
Yeah,
Oh, I did
those are
that.
cute.
Gosh, I love those. Oh, thank you so much.
So pick out the
Okay.
two that you want, and I'll pick out the two that I
okay.
want. Here, just get it. And
All right,
Okay, I'm gonna-
we'll do that. Thank you so much. Those are wonderful gifts. We love these kind of things. Useful and very pretty. That takes a lot of time to do things like that. Yeah, that was a really thoughtful gift to have homemade things gifted to you. I used to have some of these and I no longer have them, so I'm very grateful that I have two new ones. So yesterday, right over here on the other side of Aja's, pretty far out, there was some real black smoke up in the air. Happened to be a RV had caught on fire. Scott just looked out here and there's another fire. I can see the lights flashing over there. Oh gosh, all you can do is just pray for the people. You got something to say?
You want to go see those kitties, huh?
We are on our way to Phoenix. We have just a few things we have to do in Quartzsite here before we get on the highway. One of them is to go in here to the LTVA South and get rid of our
Garbage, water, and dump.
all kinds of stuff. Right, we're gonna go in here, take care of our stuff, and then we'll hit the road. Oh gosh, it's bumpy. I think our friends are right here. Merry Christmas, you guys.
Merry Christmas.
All right.
Are you guys just going
We're gonna go dump, and then we've got to hit the road to go to Phoenix.
Where are you going?
Phoenix.
Phoenix.
Yep.
Well, you
Spend
guys
time
have
with family.
Merry Christmas and
Aw,
safe travels.
love
okay?
you
We love you
guys.
guys.
Merry Christmas. Love you.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you guys. Well, that was fun seeing Sal and Sharon and being able to tell them Merry Christmas. Lots of people starting to show up. January's on its way, and it will be packed.
It will be packed.
Yeah.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas, Jen! We get to say goodbye to all our friends almost. Well, we get to say goodbye to some of our friends.
No, she's behind us now in line.
Oh, is she? Oh, she's coming up. Good. We'll be able to talk before we head out of here. I think we got in here just in time.
I think so.
It is really gotten busy. All right. Everything is done. We were able to see a few of our friends. We are making our way to the highway.
So Terry and I have made it here to Phoenix, Arizona to visit my sister and my brother-in-law and my little nephew. You can see we're set up, we're parked. Number one, so we have all this room on this side, nobody in front of us, nobody can go beside us. And I just did a walk around with Pumpkin to show her the lot and everything, even though she's been here before. But let me show you what it looks like here. And I find it bizarre to a degree. So they give you a row of trash cans down here, which is really nice. And obviously they're full. It's not very busy at all right now. And this is part of Camping World's other side, well, the other side where they work on the rigs. And lots of garbage for not that many people here. So maybe they all left for the holidays. I'm not sure. And I think you're allowed to be 3 nights here, but looking at a couple of these rigs, I am kind of guessing they've been here for a little longer. I mean, if you pulled your fan out and have lots of pizza boxes, that kind of tells me that that isn't over 1 day or anything. And you can see it's the same trash bag, so these are full from I can guess the same people. But I was checking out this cool ski boat here. It was here last year when I was here. So lots of room. They have 20 spaces, 30 amp and 50 amp. And you can see this person here is taking 19 and 20. They are pumping all the power they can into that rig. They let people do this. And I walked over here and I was like, wow, there's a hole in the ground, which I assume maybe things fill up, and that's where their water is. And an awesome dove. And then I find charcoal bricklets. And then I see this. And this is obviously a black tank. And they didn't even use toilet paper from what I can see. It looks all like baby wipes. This is what is going to ruin it for us all. If I was owner of this place, I'd say, that's it. I'm done. And that's quite the setup. I love that side by side. Anyways. This is an easy thing they allow you to do if you are a Sam Clubs member, which for the few bucks it costs, the best thing to do. That's a heck of a beautiful rig. So it's holiday Christmas time, and they are empty. And again, here we are. Small loop, 20 spots. And I'll be honest, Terry and I feel so blessed that there was even one spot for us, because this is a perfect location for us to be able to visit my my sister, my brother-in-law. Anyways, thanks for the walkabout. Come on. There's free power here. You don't have to dump your sewer over there. Anyways, peace out. God bless you all. Till next time.
Christmas lights signify all the hope that is there, all the love that we've shared through the years. Christmas lights, they delight in each gift we unfold, every story we've told with good cheer. Born and bright like the night of that old North Star, shine your light like the white glow of Mary's heart. Oh my love, you can see them wherever you are. I hope that you shine tonight. Christmas lights stop the fight, and for now let it be. Let the peace rain down from every evergreen. Christmas lights, what a sight when so many turn on, and we break into songs of heaven.